Welcome to my YouTube channel, Indo-Afric Therapeutics. Right now I'm about to make ugali. It's a simple African dish. I'm not very good at it, but I'll try. When I was growing up, we never really ate ugali. Although it's a staple food here in my country, we ate more of a mixture of maize and beans, which is also a staple food. My parents didn't like ugali at all, and so this is a skill I am still picking up as a grown-up. Let's cook together. So this recipe just requires boiled water and maize flour. With it, we shall be having it with a little curry there. I hope you can see it. Let me just show it to you like that. It's quite yummy. So I'll remove some water to just keep aside in case I need to add. I don't have a perfect recipe for this, so just enjoy with me as I cook. Yes. So this is the flour. You just add like that. You mix a little bit. The cooking stick. Then you can add more depending on how much you want to cook or how many people you are cooking for. That's how it goes. You just mix.